Well guys, as told you in the previous episode, we want to give materials to our objects in the episode and create textures for those that need texture. As you can see, we put our main object inside the main collection and the logo collection in the bottom part. We created it and completely hide it. First of all, we want to make material for the spoon, and it is better to use the reference colors of that material. So by pressing the Shift and A keys, we select the reference image and open the original reference photo. As you can see, the lower part of the spoon is black matte and the upper part is golden steel color. And we have also considered red color for the logo. At first we enter the edit mode and select the lower part of the spoon in wireframe mode, and now to see the color we put in the material preview mode and select the selected part from the data properties section and the first option of the vertex group section. We click on the plus icon once and then click for the second time and select group 001 and click on the select option and then click on the assign option again. Now in the properties section, we select on the material option and don't select material 001, which is the first material, and by pressing plus once we create a new material which is material 002, and by clicking on select and then assigning these material to these face pieces, then be selected. Now we change the color to 100% black and set the metallic to the number 0, and also set the roughness to the number 1. We will say the point that you should pay attention to is that the number 1 for roughness means completely matte and 0 means completely shiny. As you can see, the black matte color is completely visible on the selected value, and now we select the data from the properties section and create a new group called group 002, and the logo faces that are inside the spoon, which are circular, by pressing the C button. The shape is created which we select by dragging, and after that by clicking on select in the group vertex field and assigning the faces to group 002. We do also we deselect the faces that have been selected by holding shift and clicking on the material properties. We create a new material and change its its color to red, and to make the red matte, we set the roughness to 1. And now by clicking on the vertex group and clicking on plus, we will create the 003 group and select the upper part of the spoon. Same as the previous two parts, we create a new material and select the eyedropper color from the palette and create the golden reference color. As you can see, we set the metallic number almost to 1 and enter the roughness to about 80%. If we want to use create a gold color from the color code, we can find a large number of color codes by searching. For example, gold code color, and one of them in the palette section, enter the color of the hex option of that code. But in the end, depending on your taste and desired color, you can make change, and in the end I reduce the yellow color and set the metallic to 1 and the reference to 0. For the fork, just like the spoon in wireframe mode, select the lower part and in the data properties section, click on the vertex group, select and assign the 001 group, and also click on the material properties to create a new material, and the color is black. We create matte by selecting and editing, then we select the logo as well, and in the vertex group section by creating a new group called group 002. Then we select and assign it, and in the material properties we create a new material and change it to red matte, and then finally by clicking on the select option and then assign this color to it. Let's go to change the upper part of the fork to golden color, which like the previous ones, first in the part we create the vertex group, group 003, and select it and assign it, and then create a new material in the properties of material, and in this part of the circle next to the text of the material, which has an arrow pointing down, selecting the golden color from among the colors, and we click on it, and then by clicking on assign, we assigned the same golden color for the fork as it was for the spoon. After the fork, we want to materials the knife, and first we select the knife, and then we turn into wireframe mode and edit mode. Then we select the lower part of the knife, and from the vertex group we click group number 001, and then click assign. So click on the material properties and create a new material. Select the material number 002, which is black matte, and from the vertex section we create the group number 002 again, and by pressing the C key we change the selection mode to a circular shape so that we can select the logo inside the knife. We select the red matte we create earlier and select and assign the red matte material. Also, we select the upper part of the knife as in the previous two objects, and in the vertex group we assign group number 003 to it. And from the material properties section we create a new material and select the gold color that we previously created in the list of colors for the this part of the knife. Let's select and assign it. Alright, as you can see, the materialization of a knife was done beautifully. Now let's go to the chopsticks. At first we select the right chopstick in the lower part on the part that was created, and also in the vertex group section we select and assign group number 001, and then in the material properties section we create a new material and black matte material. We assign black matte to it and also create group number 002 for the logo inside the object. And then from the material properties section, set the red matte color by creating already. So we select and assign new material again. Like the other groups, we create group 003 and select the upper part of the chopsticks and select and assign it. And in the material properties section we select gold color as the new color, and by clicking on select and assign this color we apply it. For this second chopsticks we can do the previous method or make a duplicate from the materials chopstick.